Today I have the perfect power strip. This one includes 8 AC outlets, but not only that, how about 4 USB? Now, the cord is 16.4 feet or 5 meter and is a vertical. Now, it's rated for 10 amp. So, take it out of the box right now. And what is nice about this, it gives you enough space to plug it in those power supplies, right? The small power supplies. They sometimes takes a lot of space, and on and off switch, so you can turn on one side or the other side. So the power cord is pretty long, 16.2 feet. Let's plug it in. Now the way it works, it has 2 switches. So this switch will be for this side, and this switch is from this side. So one switch we can control this 4, and with that one we control this 4 and the 4 USB. So let's try this right now. So we're gonna plug a little tester here. We can check the voltage. As we see right now, it's off. Gonna turn it on, and automatically show you the 5.13 volt. That's perfect. So now you can charge any device, your cell phone or anything that require USB chargeable. Now from here, we plug the light bulb, so we can turn it off and turn it on if you have to. So these 4 are same switch. All right, if you see there. Now, how about the other side now? This one on this side, as we see that off, I'm going to turn it on. So we can turn on this side, and if we want, we can turn this side as well too. So we got 5 volts right there, and we can check the voltage here. And right now it's 128. That's the power coming through the house. So it's a perfect combination. It saves a lot of space because it's vertical. Now, what is nice about it, gives you enough space for power supplies. You see in the regular power strips, right? You put the power supply here and it's already taking space from this one. So technically, you utilize 2 outlets AC just for one power supply. But in this case now, the way it is, as you see now, see, allow me to plug different power supplies with no problem, because there is a lot of space between the AC outlets. So that's a perfect combination if required like this. If you have a computer with a lot of today, there's so many power supplies and 5 volts, right? So we have all this. But also you'll be saving a lot of space as well too. Why? Because you have 4 USB already here. So if you have a device that requires a 5 volt power supply, we won't have to anymore. Take that out and just plug USB device right over here. And it's done. If you need that to be done, you just press and leave it on all the time. So nice, simple design, and I guess use less space because it has a vertical design. Now, as well too, it has a protection. All right. So in case you plug anything that overdraw more than 10 amps, right? Automatic this will turn it off. So you will have to press it to reset. Or if you put anything that it has a short, it will automatically clip this. So you have to press it again to turn it on. So that's nice because it has a safety mechanism too. And we can see here is rated for the AC, for the USB output is a 5 volt, 2.1 amp. And the maximum output will be 2500 watts or 10 amp. And the input voltage, again, you can use 110 250.